Hello and welcome back to the channel. Another episode of Being Woodworking. Today I'm going to share with you guys a tip that's not exactly woodworking. It's just a general tip. You can see what I have laid out before me. I've got our friends the Ratchet Straps. And if you are doing woodworking, or if you have a truck and a trailer and you haul anything from time to time, you've been frustrated by these things at least once or twice. I'll share with you a quick story on how I got this tip, because it's not my idea. I was at one of those box stores, and as I was leaving, I put my stuff in my truck and I look across the parking lot and I see a very elderly old man. Somebody from the store had helped him unload the lumber onto his trailer, and then they left. And I see him getting out his ratchet straps. And I thought, man, I always lose my ratchet strap when I put it on one side of the trailer. I go to the other. Before I could get to that old man, he was done. He was on his way. I'm going to share that tip with you now. So here I've got my trailer. Got a few ratchet straps here. And this is the side that always gives me trouble. Because what do you got to do? You hook it on somewhere, whether it's to the bottom of your trailer, inside one of these brackets. You throw your slack over. You have to hold on to it. Make sure you got tension on it. Otherwise, what happens? This hook falls off and you can't do it up. So when you're on the other side of the trailer, trying to hook it up to the ratchet strap, trying to work with one hand instead of two hands, everything's not going according to how you want it to, you're already frustrated. It's just aggravating. I mentioned the old man in the parking lot. This is what he did. Bungee cord. Doesn't matter where you're hooking it up to. You can hook it up under the trailer. You can hook it up on a piece of angle iron. You can hook it up to the bracket. Put this bungee cord through this eye. If you got a longer bungee cord, just wrap it around. You could have one 3 feet long and do the same thing. Easy. Now this strap ain't going anywhere. It's going to stay right there where I want it. Now I've got a tight ratchet strap. It doesn't matter if you're using a small one like this green one, or a huge one like this yellow one here. You can go over the bar. You can go under it. It just really doesn't matter. As soon as you latch on with a bungee cord, your headaches are over. There is another solution. What if you don't want to go through the trouble of getting the bungee cord, finding the bungee cord? You want to keep it all together? Get you some baling wire. You run this baling wire through this eye a couple times. Now it's going to stay in there. And you can do the same thing with it that you were doing with the bungee cord. And there you have it. Two incredibly simple solutions. If you learned something from this, if you enjoyed it, if you got anything out of this, I sure would appreciate it if you'd subscribe, like the video, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell for notifications. Whether you use the bungee cord or if you use the baling wire or some other similar trick, a piece of string or a rope, anything to help you out and keep that tension. That's what will eliminate that frustration on you. That's all I got for today. Till next time.